All right, this update's working on my Dodger, right, for the sailboat. I'm inside my trailer, my cargo trailer, and this is where I had my drones before. All right, and yeah, this is from the Sailrite kit, build your own Dodger, and of course my plug for the machine, right, the LSZ1 Zigzag by Sailrite. All right, so here's the deal. Stand by. So the driver and the hook mechanism and where the bobbin goes, right? Hijamaja Mudra with the retainer ring and the jib hook or gib hook. Anyway, this driver is bent. So every time it comes around, it wobbles, or actually it comes out too far. I can't believe that piece of metal. He's telling me that because of my needle, when it came down, if you can see up above, there's the needle right there, and see how it deflects. Can you see that, how it deflects? Wait, I should have thought this earlier. All right, there. See, boink, here it comes, right? Boink, right there. It deflects. And so the needle gets between the driver and the gib hook and somehow bends, where'd it go? Bends the driver. You could see it's sticking out right there. Like, I mean, that's 1/8 of an inch. Huh, amazing. Anyway, they're sending me out a replacement overnight, and I got my television screen. Usually it's hooked to YouTube through my Chromecast, right? My little Google thing in the back. Yeah, cool. All right. The boat's looking good, man. Oh, I'm so excited. We'll take you on a tour soon. We're going to go sailing pretty quick. When the Dodger's done, we're going to go sailing. All right, bye.